afternoon, everybody. Thought I would do an update on a project, just show you some of the work Big Dog Welding's been doing. I had a client bring me this square, well, rectangular basic pit that he wanted modified. There was really nothing to it except one top sliding grill, and it had a stainless steel lid, and what he wanted was an option to move around his coals, and he wanted a side fire pit, which is kind of a new style. So the first thing I did was build out the rails and add the cook surfaces that he wanted. He wanted the option to have a griddle, which I made a griddle for him. There's another one of these as well, so he has two grill choices and a griddle choice. And then of course the main way to cook on here, he also wanted access to the coals. So latches here, put a stop there so this handle falls out this way, and there's the coals, excuse me, the shelf for the coals. So what'll happen is he can start either with lump coal or wood, whatever he wants, build the fire up in here. When it's about the right size to fall through there, it falls down to the bottom, then he can move his heat around and adjust his heat under his either utensils or just meat on the grill, whatever he wants. When it's all said and done and it's over with, he can knock that down. It goes to the bottom down there. This whole thing can slide out, and once that's slid out, the door folds out so that it can be cleaned out as well. This part right here I had done by a local company that does water jet. I designed it in AutoCAD, then had it cut as far as the side plates. Then I fabricated the rest out of 1/4 inch plate and 3/8 and 1/2 inch slick rod type bars. And then this can be slid over to the middle. He can move anything around in here that he wants. Also put a handle on it for him so he can kind of push around a little bit better or hang some utensils off of it. Just a basic open tube handle. You could even slide a thermometer or something into there. And then of course casters on it because it just had solid legs. It was harder to move around. So added on some flat plate, welded that, bolted on the casters, and of course everything is rusting, which is what he wants. He wants that nice rusty patina, and it's already starting on it. So probably having to spray it down with some water, that'll really accelerate the rust on it, and it's going to look pretty good. Anyway, if you have any questions about it or comments about it, please leave them below, and thanks for watching and have a great day.